Andrew Show, and today we are gonna wash dishes. And you can see what I'm doing right now. Well,
make sure you scrub really good.
okay.
Don't get your shirt wet.
Okay. Ah, perfect.
Hold it closer to the sink, Andrew. Don't get your shirt wet, okay?
Okay.
What are you doing?
Washing the dishes.
Okay. What do you have in that water?
What?
What's in that water?
Dishes.
And?
Forks.
Okay. Where's your washcloth? You gotta use your washcloth.
Oh, right. I wish I could upload this on YouTube.
We are.
What?
We are.
Oh. Ooh.
Don't get your shirt wet.
Grab it. Scrub. Fork. Guess what I need.
Don't get your shirt wet.
I always feel on the easy stuff.
Do you like washing dishes?
Yes. Yes, it's awesome. Any more dishes?
There's not that many. What do you do? What are you doing? You're cleaning it with soap and water.
Yep.
Don't get your shirt wet. And then what do you do after you put soap on the dishes?
Wipe it off.
With?
Water.
Okay.
Now I gotta get to the next one.
Okay. Okay, I'll turn the water on for you, okay?
Okay. So, guys, I'm still washing dishes.
Okay. Go ahead and rinse off your dishes.
Whoa!
Be careful.
Okay, I think I can do this like this.
There.
I'm
Okay.
still recording?
Yes. You want me to stop?
No.
Well, this video is getting too long.
What do you mean?
Because you're taking a long time.
I bet I'll get 1,000 views.
Well, we're gonna be washing your dishes, okay?